Assalamu alaikum viewers. We are going to make a small project, and this project is about a business organization, and what this project will visualize, and which visualization tool available in Power BI desktop we will be using. First, I will introduce to you this is our output. Will be our final report containing title, executive summary, finance report, then a line graph displaying profit by date, then profit by country, and then profit by product and segment. These different visualization will be displayed to facilitate the business managers to know about the business, to improve the business. And which tool we are going to use for building this report, I will show it to you. For creating this executive report financial summary, we will be using bar graph, line graph, clustered column, map, slicer, and this will be the output: profit by date, profit by country, profit by product and segment. So let's start. First, we open Power BI. For this, as opening, take this, it here. Now upload the Excel workbook. Financial sample, this we already have saved with us. We upload it, but before loading this financial report, we have to make certain changes to it. We select it and we click on transform button. You see this button, transform button. We will click on transform button and we will make certain transformation to the Excel worksheet before loading it. First change we have to make is to unit sold. We click on unit sold, we change its data type. For changing the data type of unit sold, we click on home, then we come it here, data type decimal number, we click at it here and we select whole number. Instead of decimal number, we have to change the data type to whole number. So click replace current, we did so. This is one transformation, changing the data type of a field. How to change it, you saw it. It is quite easy. Second change, we have to make all the values of segment column to uppercase. For this, we have to click this drop down arrow. We select this field, we click on transform, we click on format, we click on uppercase. All the values have changed to uppercase and segment column. We have to drop certain product. We have to transform this product column. For this, we have to click this and we unselect this Montana. We click OK. And next thing is we change the name of this field. We simply double click it. It is month name, but we want to keep it only month for simplicity. We make these 4 changes to the Excel worksheet. Now we load it. For loading it, we click on file and we click this button close and apply. It will get loaded in a short. You see the financial table got loaded and the fields pane. Now we have to write two DEX expression. For writing first expression, we click on home and then we click on new measures. Clicking new measures, so for this writing a DEX expression, we check this one. So it got accomplished. Now we have to create a new table using DEX expression. For doing so, we click on table tool and then we click on new table. Creating new table, we give calendar. We have to create calendar table. Calendar. Here we have to put the date. Click on it. Now we have created another table with the name of calendar, and it will show only dates. And now click on model view. Establish relationship between these two tables. It established. Now we create a report view and create a report. First of all, we have to insert a text box that will contain the title of the report: Executive Summary Financial Report. We make certain changes to it. We change its font size to 20. We make it bold. Oh. So this is the title of our report. Now we create a graph, profit by date. And the date we take from here. This is the graph which shows the profit by year. You can see the title at here of this graph, profit by year. Now we make certain changes. We change date hierarchy to date. As we change, you can see the changes in the graph. Now we have to change this graph into a line graph. This bar graph, we have to change into line graph simply from the visualization pane. Click this one. Now it changed into line graph. We place it here. Now we create another graph, profit by country. So we drag the country here. We can see the map, and we drag the profit from financial table into here. This is another graph which shows profit by country. Profit by country, this is another graph. So now we are going to create another graph that will show the profit by product and segment. We drag profit it here. We drag segment, and we drag product. This graph with the title of profit by segment and product. How simple it is. Profit by segment and product. Now we have to create a slicer. For this, we drag this date field it here, and we click slicer it here. This is a slicer. Slicer is a useful tool that is used to visualize the graphs. Suppose if we move this one, you see the changes in all the graphs accordingly. It is used to filter parts of the graph. Suppose in this position, it will show the profit from 16 January 2014 to 17 March 2014. Suppose we drag it here. Now it changed. It shows, all the graphs shows the profit from 16 January 2014 to 26 September 2014. If we drag this one to this side, it is used for filtering. We remove this slicer and we insert another slicer. You can change the slicer type from here. These are different type of slicers. You can change it from here. But now we remove this whole slicer and we drag the date from calendar to here and make it is a slicer. This is a slicer. And here we remove the day and the quarter. And if we expand it, you can see it will look like this. And you can see the effect it here. September 2013, November 2013, January 2014, March 2014, May 2014. So our assignment is ready. Now we make certain formatting. Suppose we click on view and we want to change the theme and we make it executive. This is executive theme, we select it. Now this graph, all the graphs is an executive theme. Now we click it here on this second visual and we make certain changes to it. Click on format pane. Title in the title section. We make profit by date instead of title section is this one. We change the title section profit by date. Instead, we write profit by month and year. We made these changes. We now change the font size of the title. We make it 14, 16. We changed it. If we want to, we make the shadow on. These were the changes we applied to the second visual. Now we come it here on this third visual and we apply certain changes to it. Map setting, suppose in the style we change it to grayscale. And we change this title profit by country to 16 font size, and we make the shadow on. Effects, visual border, shadow. We make the shadow on. So we made these changes to this third visual, and now we are going towards the fourth visual and we have to make certain changes to it. Title, profit by segment and product, change its font size to 16. And make transparency to 100%. So these were certain formatting we applied to this and now we have to discuss some other changes that we have to apply. We also apply certain changes at here to the slicer setting. Show select all, we make it on, and values, no need to change any further changes it here. We make the shadow on. So that's all, our report is ready. You can see it, this beautiful report. It's so simple, so easy to make, and hopefully we'll meet in the next tutorial. So hopefully you will enjoy it and you will learn a lot while designing a report for the business processes of a particular organization.